videos. Today we are going to look at another planner by Wagon. So this is by an illustrator named Tatiana, and the planner name is Floral Romance. It sells for 1,299 rupees. Currently there's a sale going on at the site. Worldwide shipping is available, and you also get free shipping for domestic orders. The size of the planner is 8.6 into 6.7 inches, and it has natural shade paper which is 120 GSM thick. There are 205 pages, and it has gold foil stamped here. It's a dated one, and comes with a satin bookmark and in a sturdy magnetic box. Okay, so this is the cover, and this is where they have put the year. The illustration is beautiful and full of flowers, just like the title. Okay, this is only available in hardbound. Okay, so this is the box. The design of the box is also the same as that of the planner cover, and it's very cute. It's a definitely a keepsake box. So this is where you write your name, and there are a lot of illustrations. It's this planner is full of flowers and illustrations. So next is the calendar page. It's for the year 2022, and the calendar is spread into 2 pages. Okay, so this is the monthly planning page where you can set your monthly goals, top priorities for the month, and track habits, and also section for notes. You also have a 2-page vision board. Again, there is a cute butterfly in the corner. This is the monthly spread, and as usual, it's full of flowers and birds, and it has a very different kind of an illustration. The monthly spread has a black theme, so you also get a few pages of stickers, and the stickers are also matching with the theme, and full of flowers and birds. You also have a spacious pocket in the back to keep extra sheets or notes. Okay, so these are the 2 cover options. Okay, so this is the monthly divide. Again, it's a flower bouquet, and it's beautifully illustrated. Okay, oh, you also get some gold foil stickers, and these are very beautiful and elegant. So you also have a monthly spread, which is the space where you can write your appointments for the entire month. It's a 2-page spread. So this is the second spread, the second cover option that is available. It's the bird wines, and again even the cover is also beautifully illustrated, and this one is a white themed one, and the spreads are all the same. Another thing about the spread is that in contrast to the bright white pages that we normally see, this has a very eye pleasing pastel shade for every pages, so it's a very pleasant change. Okay, and Saturday and Sunday is also highlighted in a different color. Yeah, so there is always a positive thought at the beginning of the month and a beautiful illustration to power you through. The habit trackers, everything, it's really beautiful. So the Happy Wagon planners are definitely the ones you can choose if you are someone who loves aesthetic designs and you want really beautiful planners in your collection, because all the planners are designed in such a way that it's really beautiful, elegant, and it always appeals to your personality also. The stickers are very beautiful and cute. The illustrators have really put in a lot of effort for coming up with such cute stickers, and the same goes for the monthly spreads. So this is definitely a planner you can always have with you. Even if you're working or you're a student or you are just trying to get your life organized, this planner has all the trackers that you could ask for, and it's very elegant and on point, so it doesn't really overwhelm or anything. It's the right kind of planning material that is provided. Okay, so this is the Birdwines planner. I hope you would like this video. For more such content, please keep visiting my channel, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel.